Hi, we are going to look at Common Sense Education, specifically their Digital Citizenship Unit, and you can access this at commonsensemedia.org. This is a really cool site. Common Sense is a nonprofit organization just devoted to getting the word out about digital citizenship. And so this website provides so much information. Right off the bat, you can see that they have a For Educators section up here at the very top. So this is the perfect spot for librarians and teachers to go to. But this is something that librarians can send to parents as well, because you see this For Parents section, which I'll click on right here, and it provides just some information for parents to get involved, some videos, some topics, different age ranges, so they can get in on the conversation about digital citizenship. Um, at the top right, you can become a member and log in, which is free. So something that librarians don't have to worry about using any of their budget to become a part of this site. But they have a scope and sequence. So this site actually gives you multiple units over different topics for digital citizenship. And they cater them to different grade levels. So you can see K through 2, 3 through 5, 6 through 8, 9 through 12. So it really narrows the topic for teachers and librarians. I mean, this is some great stuff that you could do whenever students come to the library, some really good lessons. And they're filtered by topic. So like your digital footprint, information literacy, privacy and security, safety, copyright, so many different options. And then for each unit, they have different lessons. So we'll look at one of them. And I mean, you could spend hours looking through this stuff because there's so much great information. But you get a quick overview. You're able to download it as a PDF or use it on Nearpod or iBooks. So you have quite a few options. And then they have different videos and animation. And then if you go down a little bit further, it actually gives the objectives, provides assessments, and gives you the standards that it's aligned with. And you'll notice that everything is provided in English and Spanish, so it's a greater audience, and it's really helpful for those ELL students as well. So you have the lessons, and then if we go back to the digital citizenship page, there are also some games. So like Digital Compass is an online game, and you can just click and sign up for it, and it's free. And you pick a character, and each character goes through a different digital citizenship scenario. So maybe it has to do with online privacy or copyright. And students have to choose what to do, what decisions to make in those scenarios, and learn about those topics. So instead of having to learn and make mistakes in real life, they do it through this game instead. And they have educator guides for these games as well, and then a frequently asked question portion as well. And so this is a game that's for grades 6 through 8. You also have Digital Passport, and this is another game that allows you to play Twockers, Share Jumpers, Evolve, Search Shark, Mix and Match. So it provides tons of different games about digital citizenship for those in grades 3 through 5. And then you have Digital Bytes, which is catered more towards the older grades, high school, and not as many games, but just some different resources for those high school students. One other thing that's really important, there's so much to unload here, so we can't go through everything, but one other thing that's important, especially when we're talking about digital citizenship, is the privacy. So really easy just to come down to the bottom, and it provides the privacy policy for this site. They do track your use with cookies so that they can personalize the account, but it's just within their website. They also follow the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, so parents can be put at ease, schools can be at ease, because there are really strict limitations as to what they can do with children under 13, what information they can share. They don't share personal info without consent, written consent, and they also have a newsletter that goes out for parents right here. And you can unsubscribe to that, but they don't sell your email or anything. It's just for use for that newsletter. So this is definitely a site that some librarians and teachers should check out, especially when they're looking to focus on digital citizenship.